So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to share your referral link on MetaMask. So once the MetaMask app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on rewards. Once you guys are on this page right here, go to the top right to where it says, or where there's that like person icon with the plus. Go ahead and select that. Once you're on the referrals page right here where it says referral link, you actually have your link right here. Simply go ahead and press on the copy button right here. You'll see that green check mark. That's how you guys can copy your referral link and ultimately share it with people through emails, texts, etc. Get them to sign up and then earn some rewards and bonuses if that happens. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to share your referral link with people here on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.